This partnership is a testament to what can be achieved when purpose meets partnership. It reflects Equity Bank's long-term strategy to support climate-smart initiatives, empower communities, and drive sustainable economic growth. Through this collaboration, we are not only financing water and sanitation, but we are also contributing to giving dignity to the people that we are serving. We are contributing to the health sector and creating economic opportunities for the people that we are dealing with.
It seemed like a story. It did not sound like reality. I want to really be proud that we have already walked this journey together, and we're even looking forward to the remaining years ahead and the great work we're going to do here in Uganda. Thank you so much, Catherine, and thank you so much, the Equity Bank team. We want to ensure that everybody has access to water, not just any access, but piped water in their household. And for that to happen, it means extension of pipelines, network pipelines. And to my colleagues at National Water, we have worked with in the past, that means so much work in terms of contractors, in terms of investors, in terms of developers, in terms of suppliers of pipes, of materials, and all other building plans that's required. And the only way that that can happen is to make sure there is financing availed to in fact be able to power that entire ecosystem. And our director, Catherine, did speak about all that. So our joy as Water.org is to ensure that that financing is available. I'm very glad that from the time we started partnering in 2011, already when you see the bankable population in Africa, it has doubled. It is now about 42%, it was 21% then, but still 42% is small. So I'm very happy to see Equity Bank's innovations in the digital investment space. That in fact, when you look at the penetration, market penetration required, we need much more innovation in the digital space. And I'm glad that Africa is leading the queue in terms of this core. Now, our coverage definitely is in East Africa. I was also in West Africa the last 2 weeks and developing the same products in terms of our countries, starting with Nigeria and the entire ECOWAS region. But I'm so glad to say that East Africa is in fact fast-tracking the digital space. And when you see the use and the embracement of the mobile applications, it is encouraging to see how that is growing.
We have revised our national water policy. We have also developed a financing strategy. Now, we recognize the financing strategy that we cannot get money that we need from government. And that's why we need to work with you to innovate. How can we create businesses around water and sanitation, but as we also provide the services to the people? For you, I know you would want to create opportunities for growth of your institutions. But for us as government, we would want to see the services growing, and it can be a win-win situation. The African Union has undertaken a study on financing of water, sanitation, and hygiene in the continent, and they have noted that we actually have a lot of money in our countries. But about 60% of the money you need can actually be mobilized within the country, but you have to innovate. So again, Water.org and Equity would be happy to actually see how you drive this agenda so that we can mobilize this financing. And so within this partnership, I think we have also a role we can play as government, and I want you to encourage you to reach out to us. Let me leave it at this, but I'm excited about this partnership, and I want to assure you that we shall be available to support you, and we do welcome you to the ministry. Those of you who have been there, keep coming.
The partnership we celebrate today demonstrates how financial inclusion and innovative financing models can accelerate access to safe water and improved sanitation for communities across Uganda. By extending affordable credit through products such as Marginal and Jamie Safilon, like Madame Catherine shared, the program empowers households, small entrepreneurs, and water service providers to invest in sustainable, life-changing solutions.
Wonderful. Thank you very much, ladies.